Hi everyone! Today we're going to make shrimp with lobster sauce. Recently, my shrimp and broccoli is getting very popular, over 600,000 views. Thank you guys so much for watching, and some of you requested shrimp with lobster sauce. When I was first introduced to this dish a couple years ago, I was having probably similar reaction you had. What is lobster sauce? Where's the lobster? And it turned out there's no lobster. The reason it's called lobster sauce is because the seasoning mixture used to cook lobster. So today I'm going to share with you how I make this dish. I have 9 shrimp. This is a 21-25 count. So this is just under half pound. Extra large shrimp, already peeled and deveined. Why 9? 9 actually is a good number for Chinese. 9 in Chinese is 9, which means forever. So this is shrimp, and I have 1 stalk green onion, 2 cloves garlic and ginger, and 1 egg. Just a little bit ground pork. This is about a tablespoon. So just mince the garlic. And we need some minced ginger, just a small piece like this. And 1 green onion. Yeah, we always separate the white part, the root part, from the green part. Yeah, for shrimp, we just need to add a little bit of salt to season it. And I have 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Just need to add about 1/4 cup of water. Mix well. And of course we have 1 egg. We just need the egg white. Separate. That's it. We save the egg yolk for something else. And we're ready to cook. We heat up the pan to medium high. Add some oil. We're first going to stir fry the shrimp. We need to add some minced garlic. Cook about 2 minutes in total. So it's about 2 minutes. Let's take out the shrimp, set aside. Now add a little bit more oil. We're going to brown the ground pork. We're going to brown about a few minutes. Now our meat is brown, and we add a little bit of salt and a little bit cooking wine, Shaoxing cooking wine, about a teaspoon. Now we add minced ginger, garlic, and white part of green onions. Now we add water, or you can add the chicken stock. It's about half cup, a little bit over half cup, if you want to be saucier. Bring this to a boil. Now it's boiling. You need to add some salt. Now we're going to put the shrimp back. Add a little bit white pepper powder to your own taste. Now we'll add our cornstarch slurry. From the outside and in. Does this look like a lobster sauce? Now let's have a quick taste. Actually, it's great. Now we're putting the green onions. And last thing, we add the egg white. Beat it before you add it. And just go on. Just like you do the egg drop soup. Our shrimp lobster is ready. Are we ready to eat shrimp with lobster sauce? I am. I'm gonna try for you guys. And the sauce looks good, just enough. Let's have a bite of the shrimp. Shrimp is perfectly done, and sauce is good. I can taste ginger, garlic, and the minced pork. It's delicious. Actually, a very nutritious dish, right? With egg white. Very good. Served with rice perfectly. Please try to make it at home so you can have your takeout at home. You saw that, very simple to make it. Actually, like I said, it's a very nutritious dish. And please give me a thumbs up if you like this dish, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.